Hello and welcome to the WeICTRI Online Academy. My name is Chris and today we'll be going through the walkthrough of Cambridge Paper 2-1, the Winter 2019 variant. We will start with questions 1 to 5. Okay, so here we are in variant 2-1, Winter 2019, okay, for the Biology IGCSE. So we'll start here at question 1, which is relating to the life processes. Okay, now here we have to look at the picture. The picture has light coming towards the plant, and the plant seems to be growing towards the light. If light is involved, one might assume nutrition is the answer. However, nutrition is not what's being observed here. Okay, so if you remember the life processes Mrs. Gren, you have movement, reproduction, sensitivity, growth, respiration, excretion, and nutrition. Now the plant seems to be responding to the stimuli of light, so it's growing towards it. This is the definition of ability to detect and respond to sunlight. In this case, excretion is not being shown here because that's the removal of metabolic wastes from the organism. We do not see in this picture that the plant is reproducing and making offspring, so it is definitely not B. And respiration is not being shown here either because there's no showing representation of what energy is being released in this case. So the only option available is D, which is sensitivity. Moving on to question number 2. Using the binomial system of naming organism, the name lion, Pantheria Leo. Okay, now remember in the binomial system that the first name that comes first is the genus, so this is the genus name, and Leo is the species name. These are the only two parts of the system that is represented in this name. Okay, if you know that, this should be easy for you. So it is not A because the kingdom, there's only 5 kingdoms that you learn about, which is animal, plants, fungi, bacteria, and protoctists, and neither of those are mentioned here. Does it belong to the genus Pantheria? Yes, this is the understanding of what the binomial system represents. The species name is Pantheria, no. The species name is Leo. And in this case, genus belongs to Leo. No, we already established that B is the answer, and the genus is correctly identified as Pantheria. Okay, so question 3, the table shows the number of animals collected in a sample from a woodland and the groups in which they belong to. Okay, so here we have arachnids, crustaceans, insects, and myriapods. Number of the sample we have here, it says how many arthropods have 6 or 8 legs. Okay, so if you remember from our classification, arachnids have a total of 8 legs or 4 pairs. Crustaceans have 10 legs. They have normally have 5 pairs, but their front pair can sometimes be made into the pincers like in crabs. Insects have 6 legs in total or 3 pairs, and the myriapods have anywhere from 5 pairs and up. Some myriapods can have up to 750 legs in total from their segmented body. So in this case, I'll put 10 and plus. Now, it says which ones have 6 or 8 legs. Okay, so in total we have arachnids of 10. Crustaceans have 10, that's far too many. Insects have 6 legs, so that's yes. And myriapods have, no, they have more than 10, so incorrect. So you have 10 plus 80 give us the option of 90, which is option C. Okay, so A is incorrect, B is incorrect, and D is incorrect. Okay, so moving on to question number 4, it says which features do animals share with plant cells? Now if you recall from early on biology, there's 3 main structures that they all share, which is a nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell membrane as part of eukaryotic cells. There are others such as ribosomes and mitochondria and a few other structures as well, which you don't need to know at this point. But let's have a look here. Chloroplasts, do animals and plants share chloroplasts? No, they don't. This is a feature unique to only plants. So option A and B can be eliminated at this point. Chloroplasts, okay, so C and D, no, animals do not have chloroplasts, so either C or D is correct at this moment. Cytoplasm, yes, animals and plants share cytoplasm as a structure. In this case, no, okay, so D is eliminated at this point for being incorrect because they both have cytoplasm as a structure. So your option here is C is the correct answer. Okay, question 5 then. Shows a cell with an actual size of 30 micrometers. Okay, what is the magnification of this diagram? All right, well, we have to use the formula. If you remember, you have magnification equals I divided by A in this case, but bear in mind that you have a difference in unit here. So the first thing you really should do is convert millimeters into micrometers, which is by timesing 1,000, which gives you a total of 30,000 micrometers is your image size. And you have your actual size of 30 here. So what you would do is you'd do 30,000 divided by 30, okay, which gives you the answer of 1,000, and that gives you your answer of C. One of the main issues students have here is that they try and do 30 divided by 30, or they get the unit conversion wrong. Remember, millimeters to micrometers is times 1,000, and from micrometers to millimeters is divide by 1,000. Okay, good. Okay, thank you for watching our walkthrough of question 1 through 5. Please keep watching video 2 to go through questions 6 through 10. Thank you.